Hey guys, Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope you guys are doing well today. Today we're going to talk about what is a good credit score. Of course, you know you need this to have to get approved for the right job or get accepted at the right job. That's going to determine your interest rates for loans, mortgage loans, car loans, things of that sort. So let's go straight into it and why you need it. Number one, what is a good credit score? Well, it depends. A good credit score, some people may look at as I'm doing better than what I was doing before. If you were in the 300s, in the 400s, a 500 is most definitely some improvement. To get the best rates for an auto loan, you typically need to be anywhere between 680 and higher. If you're trying to get a mortgage, 620 and higher. But if you just want to make sure, hey, I just want to know what score is going to kind of work for everything, that typically is going to be 720 and above. You don't necessarily have to be 850. Sometimes people over exaggerate 850. We even call ourselves 850 Club just because that's the highest that you can get. But honestly, since there's such a small amount of people that's so far up in that range, banks wouldn't make money if they only just cater to those people. That's where all the rest of the scores are going to come into play. So anything between 720 and 850 can easily get the job done. So for example, if you are currently in the 300s and 400s, how can you get your score up a little bit higher? Well, it depends. Usually when you're in that score range, you're not going to have a lot of options coming to you through the mail. It's okay to be an authorized user just to kind of get some points to improve your situation. And then that should be enough to push you in the 500s. If it's not enough, or if you try to do this, or if you don't have that as an option, of course, you can always reach out to us and we can help you get there. And then once you get to the 500 range, and then the next thing is going to be to try to get to the 600s. At that point, you can easily do that with a credit card, a credit builder account. A lot of banks offer a lot of different scenarios and situations that you can kind of work with to get to that point. At 500, you should be able to get some type or some form of credit card. If you can't, you may have to go with a secured credit card. Then at that point, now you're going to be in the 600s. Once you're in the 600s, you can get better interest rates for auto loans. You can actually qualify for a mortgage. When you're in the 500s, you really can't do that unless you're in the high fives. When you're getting a car, it's going to be a lot easier. You can pretty much get a car almost at any credit score. The interest rate is going to be higher. The terms you may not necessarily like, but it's not the end of the world. You can always start off at that point, refinance a little bit later once your scores actually do improve. Now, once you go from the 6s to the 7s, things are going to get a lot better. You're going to start noticing your mail is going to increase. You're going to start getting things from Chase, Bank of America, American Express, all of the credit unions, things of that sort, because they want to do business with you. They're looking for people that not only have great credit scores, but that also have great credit history, and as well as payment history as well. Now, to get to 750 and above is more so going to be time, not just activity. Everything under 750 is going to be activity. As you do this, you get this result. However, to 750 to 850, they're going to see how long can you do something? How consistent can you do something? So yes, you've been paying your bills on time, but can you do it for 5 years? Can you do it for 7 years? So all that's going to play a role. If you're not sure where you are or what you need to do, don't worry. Many people have been in your situation before. We most definitely can still help you get you where you need to be. Even if it's not a certain score that you're looking to accomplish and there's a certain goal that you're looking to accomplish, we can most definitely help you do that as well too. So of course, if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.